is a specimen of cerebellum with brainstem. Cerebellum is the largest part of hindbrain. It is situated in the posterior cranial fossa underneath the tentorium cerebellar in the infratentorial part. It is connected to the brainstem by means of 3 cerebellar peduncles with the midbrain through superior cerebellar peduncle, with the pons through middle cerebellar peduncle, and with the medulla oblongata through inferior cerebellar peduncle. It is separated from pons and medulla oblongata by a cavity of 4th ventricle, like this. It has 3 parts, 2 large lateral hemispherical lobes, cerebellar hemispheres, and in the midline a narrow worm-like part is called as vermis. The upper aspect of vermis is called as superior vermis and inferior aspect is called as inferior vermis. Thus, 3 parts are 2 cerebellar hemispheres and a vermis. It has 2 surfaces, superior surface and inferior surface. Superior surface is convex. It is continuous with one another at superior vermis. Inferior surface is separated from each other by a deep notch, vallecula cerebelli, and in the floor of vallecula you can see the inferior vermis. Thus, 2 cerebellar hemispheres are separated on the inferior surface by vallecula cerebelli, whereas 2 cerebellar hemispheres are continuous with one another at the superior surface. The surface of cerebellum, it shows many slit-like sulci. Those are called as fissures. Whereas in between the fissures, the folds, they are called as folia, which run more or less parallel to the fissures. The main 3 fissures are horizontal fissure, which runs along lateral and posterior margins of the cerebellum, along the lateral and posterior margin of the cerebellum. This is horizontal fissure which separates superior from inferior surface. Another fissure is posterolateral fissure. You can see here it separates a flocculonodular lobe in front and rest of the cerebellum behind. The third fissure is primary fissure or fissura prima, seen on the superior surface. This is V-shaped fissura prima. It cuts the superior vermis at the junction of anterior 2/3 and posterior 1/3. Fissura prima separates anterior lobe from the posterior or middle lobe. It has 2 notches. Anteriorly, wide shallow notch, anterior cerebellar notch. It lodges pons and medulla oblongata. Posteriorly, a narrow slit-like notch, posterior cerebellar notch. In this posterior cerebellar notch, there is a dural fold called as falx cerebelli. You can see here this dural fold, falx cerebelli. It lodges into this notch like this.